Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up garage gym flooring. So this was a question that I initially had when it came to me assembling my home gym in my garage. And so what I essentially went with is that I got these horse stall mats that you see right here. And so each of these mats are 3 by 4 feet. So I have 6 of them, as you can see right there. So the total surface area of this is around like 9 by 12 feet, I'd say. But with these though, they just do a really good job at making sure I don't damage my garage floor when it comes to me placing down my weights or placing down my rack, which is what you see right here. I used to have like these really cheap puzzle mats from Amazon. And so while they do the trick in making sure that your floor doesn't get damaged, the problem with these is that they would always move. They wouldn't stay in place. So with these mats though, they do stay in place. They're heavy duty, and like I mentioned before, they do a good job at protecting the ground anytime I place iron weights on it. But if you wanted to, you could lift them up. But because they're so large, they really don't move, and that's exactly what I wanted when it came to me assembling my home gym flooring. So yeah, I'll leave a link to these down below in the description. I have no regrets with them whatsoever. They look great, and there is like a smell when you first initially get them for about 2 weeks, but afterwards the smell eventually goes away. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.